Hi store owners! In this video, we'll guide you through the process of activating staging sites for your Wholesale Suite license. This will allow you to safely test updates and changes before applying them to your live store. We'll cover the necessary steps to ensure a smooth and secure activation. Your staging site must use one of these supported domain patterns. These include common options like localhost and 127.0.0.1 for local development. You can also use .dev, .local, .test, .staging, .example, and .invalid domains. Specific patterns are supported for WP Engine and Pantheon hosting, as well as Kinsta. Hosting providers can request new domain patterns via Wholesale Suite support, and each license permits up to 3 staging site activations. To begin, log into your account at wholesalesuiteplugin.com. Navigate to the Downloads tab. Here, you'll find a list of your Wholesale Suite plugins. Locate the plugin for which you want to activate a staging site. Underneath the plugin name, you'll see a license key. Copy this key, as you'll need it in the next step to connect your license to the staging environment. This ensures that your staging site has the necessary permissions and functionality for testing. Now, access your staging site's WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Wholesale section, then click on License. You'll find fields for license email and license key. Paste the license key you copied from your Wholesale Suite account into the license key field. After pasting the key, click the Save Changes button to activate your license on the staging site. This step is essential to validate your staging environment and enable full functionality for testing purposes. To manage your staging activations, return to the Downloads tab in your account on the Wholesale Suite website. Next to your license, click View Sites. This will display a list of all activated domains associated with your license. From this page, you can see all activated staging domains and remove a staging site when you no longer need it. This provides you with full control over your staging activations and ensures efficient license management. Your license is now activated on your staging site. You can return to the Downloads tab at any time to view or remove staging activations. That's it. I hope this video helps. If you have questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment down below. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.